Hey everyone, it's your buddy Bob here at Kingdom Horse Trailers in Henderson, North Carolina, lovely Vance County. We are open Tuesday through Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and you can check us out online at www.nchorsetrailers.com. Let's get right to today's beautiful new offering. This is a 2026 Shadow 3-horse slant load with rear tack Pro Series. Pro Series affords us all aluminum construction, including an aluminum plank floor. This one is 7 feet 6 inches tall by 6 feet 9 inches wide. This is the new paint color called Mako, M-A-K-O. This is sporting some gorgeous matching aluminum wheels, including the spare. We've got that large 53-inch drop feed window on the butt side here. Got our rear tack we'll take a peek at. Let's look at our forward tack here. First, in this 42-inch dressing room, we've got some bridle hooks. We've got a stationary wall. This is not a swinging wall. This is solid. Nothing will come up and underneath that bottom part. You've got room to put additional items for storage and so forth. Being a Pro Series, the walls and roof and ceiling, I should say, are fully lined and insulated, so it will be white on the interior. There's that matching fifth wheel as your spare, your breakaway box. Of course, has breakaway kit. This does come with a manufacturer's 7-year nationwide warranty, structural warranty. Beautiful morning here out in the Carolina country. And this is a pretty color. Okay, so you get sliders on one of the two 50/50 doors here, so you can get even more ventilation. Now this one is a slant load, but we went ahead at the factory and put a ramp on it for you. So this is walk them on with ease. Also, we've got our swinging saddle tree right here. So that is a nice feature, as well as the fact that we can collapse the entire tack wall as easy as that. So now we have lots of additional space. I apologize for the sun. Let me get in here. So now we've got virtually the entire width of this 6'9" trailer. It makes it very inviting, or if you're hauling non-horses or other items, makes it a lot easier to load them. Now, of course, both those items are fully removable should you need to. We see our horse tie-ups. We got upgraded on the Pro Series, a padded telescoping divider. LED lighting, again lined and insulated. Oscillating fans. Got that 53-inch window already open. It is beautifully ventilated right now. This one does have the roof vents, plus the fans, plus all these windows. As comfortable as we can make your animals. Escape door, 38-inch, right there. We'll come out and take a peek at this outside of the trailer on the driver's side. Okay, here we're up the nose. This would be the driver's side. There's our escape door with drop feed window on it. Locking door tied back at the moment. Two more. Drop windows, those really pretty aluminum wheels. Got some extruded siding along here. Keep that beautiful Mako clear-coated aluminum as scratch-free as we can. And looking inside through the back, you can see this all aluminum beauty is ready to be made yours. I hope when you're considering a new trailer, you'll call Bob, 919-930-6127, www.nchorsetrailers for our complete inventory. Unless it says sold or sale pending, all inventory on our website is available. Thanks, and have a wonderful day.
Call Bob at Kingdom Horse Trailers. He will hook you up.